In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and animate noise in Nuke for dynamic textures and masks. Let's start by creating the node. With your node graph active, press tab and type noise, then confirm to drop in the noise node. This gives you a procedural pattern you can shape for texture, grit, or matte work without importing any external files. Next, connect your input, drag from your footage node to the noise node so the effect has something to work with. This lets the noise modify or generate channels alongside your image rather than floating on its own. Before you tweak the look, make sure you're affecting the channels you intend. By default, the noise node targets RGBA, which means it writes to all 4 channels. If you only want a texture in your color channels, switch it to RGB. If your goal is a matte to drive other corrections, set the output to alpha. Being deliberate here saves time and avoids accidental overrides elsewhere in your comp. Now choose the noise type. You'll see options like fractal and turbulence, all derived from Perlin noise. Fractal tends to stack detail across scales for a rich, natural pattern, while turbulence introduces a choppier, more energetic feel. Each type changes the structure of the pattern, so pick the one that matches the mood and scale of your shot. Dial in the look with scale and amplitude. Scale controls the size of the pattern. Increase it for large, blobby shapes or decrease it for fine grain. Amplitude adjusts intensity. Lower values give subtle texture. Higher values push towards strong graphic noise. A good approach is to zoom the viewer to 100%, then nudge scale until the pattern feels appropriately sized relative to your subject, and only then raise amplitude to taste. If you want movement, animate the noise using the time knob. This advances the pattern over your frame range, creating evolving noise without keyframes. Small increments keep the motion organic. Faster rates can feel stormy or chaotic. Preview a short section to judge speed against your shot's pacing. You can limit where the noise appears by using a mask. Connect a mask input and paint or pipe in a matte so white reveals noise and black conceals it. Soften edges upstream if needed for a cleaner blend. Finally, preview your result in the viewer. Select the noise node and press 1 to view its output directly. Toggle between types, channels, scale, amplitude, and time until the pattern supports your creative intent. That's it. Clean, controllable, procedural noise, ready for texturing, atmospherics, or matte work.